Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra number 2. This is an all eco-friendly packaging, so the actually is paper, and you can see paper here. They even have a little kind of like leaf on it, and it seems like a non-destructive packaging too, which would be nice to see because this means you can kind of return it if you don't like it, so on and so forth. So we have this kind of like nice interior looking. Same with this side. We can actually open it from the sides, and we can see Apple Watch and a whole I guess information booklet here. This is coming from Finland, so maybe this is some sort of special brochure that you can see here for this. It comes with the information that you need to know to kind of set it up, features and so on. There's a little Apple Watch thing here in the booklet. I haven't seen that before. So then when we open, we have this. Let's remove this exterior box, put it aside. We have probably the main box here. We can see that it has 2 pull tabs. So let's start with the left one. Pull tab. Another pull tab. And this now opens the box. The box has a bit of a weird shape here and a cutout here. This is where the watch sits. We have our watch here. Let's flip it around. Designed by Apple in California. Let's get this out of here. In here we seem to have some cable for charging. So let's try to not destroy anything as we unbox it. But we can see that it has there we go. This is the USB-C to the Apple Watch, which is really nice. It used to not be USB-C. It's braided cable, high quality, and this now is just the USB-C. And we can see here that it has the little pad for charging. So this is coming, no brick in it, which is understandable from Apple. They've kind of removed bricks from it. And this is only coming probably because it's some special charger. We have the Apple Watch itself. We have it here. You can see kind of how it looks. It's wrapped in this kind of cellophane transparent paper. So let's peel it. Has not so easy to peel. This is the watch itself. As you can see, has the orange accent here, the orange button here, and the all titanium metallic, all the sensors on the bottom. Let's put this aside. So this box doesn't seem to have any other compartments. This is kind of glued there, so that goes aside. We have the strap. This strap is a choice you make when you're purchasing the Apple Watch. This one is the green Alpine loop, and I got it for the basically, I think it was L size, and as you can see, that's what it meant, carbon neutral. It has a little pull tab here, so let's pull the tab, take the sticker off. Let's move the charger out of the way, and we have this. So it has a little instructions on how to do it, to attach this strap, and also some sort of paper information. And the strap itself in cardboard. Like I said, the whole theme here is no plastic, which is kind of nice. That just holds the Apple Watch. It actually has some wedge in there to kind of give it a little bit of a feel to it. But yeah, this is the strap that then we should attach on the watch. So that's the content that you get. You basically get your Apple Watch, you get your USB-C to Apple Watch charger, and your strap. So that's the unboxing for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.